Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to unbox this Ilford Ilfocolor Rapid single-use camera with 27 exposures. Now weirdly, a couple things going on here. Ilford stopped making color film back in the 80s or 90s. I don't remember exactly when. They used to make Ilfochrome and Chiba Chrome. They had a couple of different products. And so insofar as I know, their color lines aren't up and running. I would think that if they were making their own color film again, that would be plastered all over the film news sites, and it's simply not. So this is probably some other kind of film. In this video, we're going to unbox it. In the next video about this camera, we're going to dismantle it and figure out what's inside of it. So let's tear this open. This is, you know what, this box is put together better than it needs to be, right? Okay, just all that's in it is this camera in a plastic bag. Looking at the single-use camera here, we have your on-off for your flash. I'm not going to turn this on, by the way, because we're going to dismantle this, and if I turn this on, it's going to charge up the capacitor, and I don't want to shock myself that badly, because the capacitors in here can give you quite an unpleasant surprise. So here's your taking lens, your flash control, flash, viewfinder, shutter button, frame count window. This is going to count downward as you take photos, flash ready light, film advanced style wheel right there, some information on the back about how to use it and so forth, viewfinder, another window to see your flash ready light. On the bottom, this is where your film is located. So the way that these cameras work is they come with all of the film over here outside of the cassette, and then as you use the film, it's rewound into the cassette. It's basically the opposite of the way that a 35mm camera works, generally speaking, because this comes with all of the film outside the cassette. So and when you use it, basically you just send this off to the lab pops this bottom open, that the cassette then drops right out, which we're going to see in the next video with this camera. So really simple to use. They are, and I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of film is in these in the next video.